Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have an NHL, National Hockey League hat unboxing. And this team was founded in 1997, played in 1998. Do you know the team? Well, you might have already found out, but let's take a look. There it is, the Nashville Predators. As mentioned, founded in 97, played their first home game in 98. They've yet to win a Stanley Cup. This team has, I would say, has been mediocre over the years. They've had some good seasons. They've had some really poor seasons. And they do have the support of Nashville, though. Thick and thin. And this is the Predators of the NHL. And let's get a close-up of what we have. Like a golden yellow type of visor, working with a 7 5/8, I should say, from this 50 New Era hat, of course. We go like the back shot. The NHL insignia. And quickly, once again, if you did not know, NHL and New Era are not under contract. Only specific teams sell New Era hats, and that's via the team store only. Fanatics is the official merchandise of the NHL. They have the rights. A lot of people do not like that, especially when it comes to the fitted hat. Fanatics, they do make a good product, but a lot of people prefer New Era hats, and that's where a lot of the bickering comes into play, per se. So that's just, it is what it is. Under visor here is gray. A lot of people prefer that gray under visor. It's a pretty clean look. It's probably the reason for that. But a gray under visor for this particular hat. Guts, Glory, and Nashville Predators. Heart of the hat, 7 5/8. New Era, and we have the NHL official logo right there. And that is that. So what do you think of this Nashville Predators hat? Love it? Hate it? Pretty clean. And it's pretty to the point. I think it's a very nice cap. New Era did a good job on this one from a design standpoint. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, subscribe. More rare caps, imports, everything like that. All the good stuff is seen here. All of the good stuff is seen here. So subscribe. If you would like to purchase anything you see on the channel, please look in the description. And you can see it there. Purchase it there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.